cs140 is the new road sweeping machine equipped with the exclusive Comac twin action technology that combines the mechanical action to collect solid wastes and the vacuum action to pick up the finest dust. CS140 twin action is the ideal sweeping machine to operate in the city, being compact in dimensions, agile in maneuverability, and efficient in performances. The cab is comfortable and ergonomic. Once the ideal driving position is achieved, the operator has easy access to all controls, which are grouped into a central console that guarantees the complete control of all machine functions without averting the eyes from the road. The vacuum action, adjustable in intensity, works using a selector. From the wide glass cab, the operator can also check the work of the third brush, supplied as optional. Thanks to the twin action system, CS140 can work also on rugged roads, avoiding any mechanical braking as only the central brush touches the road and is able to follow its profile, even if irregular. The mechanical action of the central brush collects solid wastes from the ground while the vacuum action picks up the dust. With two screw conveyors, the material is crushed and conveyed towards the vacuum hose that lifts it up to the collection hopper. Amazing cleaning result is assured with only one pass. The compact dimensions of the CS140 twin action and the integral four-wheel steering system guarantee ultimate maneuverability when space is limited. The collection system is focused on the central brush, guaranteeing uniform cleaning across the entire brush width. The side brushes and the third brush are only used to clean near walls or on sidewalks. During transfer, CS140 twin action moves quickly and perfectly, also on hectic city roads without obstructing traffic. Thanks to the vacuum action, CS140 is able to work without using water to control flying dust. The wide filter surface of 50 square meters increases its efficiency, guaranteeing the emission of very clean air into the environment. Recent official European tests showed that the efficient filtering system combined with twin action technology allows holding all PM10 dusts and collecting any type of debris without using water. The operator can quickly position the machine on 3 different levels of height according to necessity to easily overcome obstacles without any damages, thus improving cleaning performance. The 4 independent suspensions allow its horizontal structure to be always constant in any load and road condition. CS140 twin action can be equipped with a manual vacuum hose to immediately solve particular cleaning needs during city cleaning operations. Thanks to the hose, it is possible to collect material piled up in areas unreachable by brushes. The rear video camera is very important while dumping. It is connected to a monitor in the cab and allows the operator to follow with safety and precision the reverse and dumping maneuvers. The hopper emptying consists of 3 phases, controlled by 3 buttons. Lifting up to 1.8 meters height. Overturning. Hopper opening. A CS140 twin action is the ideal sweeping machine because it is compact in dimensions, reliable and versatile in use, and user-friendly. With CS140 twin action, quality and productivity are ensured with the maximum respect for the environment.